Is it possible to surprise the person who has been in the hobby for more than 7 years? A person who ran more than 70 different remote control cars? Yes, if it's unique truck by RC4WD, recently released Miller Motosports 110 scale Pro Rock Racer. Now we'll make quick review what makes it unique and we'll take it for a run. In short, the main uniqueness in the appearance, suspension and functions. In general, everything. So let's go step by step. It's important to say that this is an exact replica of the Miller Motorsport truck owned and driven by Eric Miller. You can read more about it by the link in the description. RC4WD managed to create the truck in the smallest details. The unique shape of the frame is made of durable plastic. Molded Lexan body panels are attached to the frame with screws, which can be easily removed or styled according to your taste. The front lights are prepared for LEDs installation. Here we have a detailed interior with the ability to easily fit a driver. Look at this navigation tablet. Take a look at this detail of this special equipment. These grills are prepared for the installation of coolers. Bell of this panel is a detailed V8 crate engine housing and functional scale transmission and transfer case. Here, wherever you look, you can see nice scale detail everywhere. Grappler 2.2 inches scale tires with realistic tread are here. It is made of pretty soft rubber that has a good grip. These are spectacular rock roller 2.2 inches bedlock wheels. Here we have unique metal 4-link suspension with swipe bars and adjustable limiting straps on all 4 corners. This is the first time I see this implemented in remote control car. These aluminum shocks with adjustable dual spring rates created for rock racing that make perfect harmony between stability and flexibility. Check out these possibilities! Height clearance axles with an offset from differential are made from durable materials, and this design are very suitable to this rock racer. These differentials can be locked and unlocked using the transmitter. Metal cardan shafts are installed here. The car is 4-wheel drive with the ability to remotely switch to 2-wheel drive. Here we have a 2-speed transmission that allows you to switch from crawling mode to racing mode using the transmitter. Waterproof electronic speed controller is installed here. 1200 kV sensorless brushless motor. The twister waterproof servo motor for steering. Pre-installed 3 servos to control the 2-speed transmission, 2 or 4-wheel drive, and front and rear differential lockers. The 6-channel radio transmitter together with the standard function makes it possible to remotely control all the functions of this truck. Let's turn on and try the car on the obstacles of wheels. Look at that flexibility! Let's make a jump! And now let's go run outside! We will test the Miller truck in the mountains of Colorado. First, we will run over various obstacles in crawl mode with locked differentials and test the truck's capability. Then we will switch to racing mode and check how the suspension will cope with mountains terrain in this mode. We choose one of the most difficult places. Truck crawls sideways into the sharp slope of the rock. Excellent! The car overcomes perfectly on the rocks and has excellent grip. I feel that is too much. This truck has a very flexible suspension and it's pretty felt. Now let's drive through this slope in two directions. Of course, there are laws of physics that cannot be broken. The second attempt is successful. At this time I used second gear. So now let's switch to racing mode and enjoy fast driving. I'll tell you right away that it's incredibly interesting. First we run and jump here, and then on longer distance to accelerate the car to full speed. And now let's run up this hill on dry soil. There is actually very light grip here, but it looks spectacular. Conclusions! This is truly unique truck in my collection. After such an adventure, car becomes look even more stunning. It shows excellent results in crawling on rocks both uphill and downhill. In addition, thanks to the 2-speed transmission, you can also run it fast. Also, the car has a spectacular appearance and unique suspension. That is, having one car, you meet several of your needs at once. This suspension truly demonstrates the harmony between flexibility and stability. To transform this car into unlimited possibilities, there is a prepared place to install a winch. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. Subscribe so you don't miss the next videos.